Hi everybody, Mr. Rebo here, and today we are talking 3.7, which is sinusoidal function context and data modeling. So, sine word problems. So, excuse me. We've already looked at um, sinusoidal functions and their kind of general form, um, whether it's sine or cosine. So to construct the model, we'll need to connect all this information either verbally, graphically, numerically, and algebraically. I'm going to show this. All right. So this first example, it says let f be a sinusoidal function. The graph of y equals f of x is given in the plane. What's our period? So just very similar to what we've dealt with before. So we look at this graph and you kind of look and you see where it kind of repeats. I personally I'm going to look at the starting point and see where does it start repeating, which here 2 would be the only choice that makes sense. Because right, if you go 1, it's only the top part. You go 4, well, that would be from like -2 to 2. Well, that pattern has repeated twice, so that doesn't make sense. And 8 is already like out of the question because it's too big. For example, 2, same idea, but now they're telling us the equation and we're trying to figure out what C is. Okay. So which of the following values could represent the constant C? So 0 would mean that there is no shift, which means cosine would start at the top, which would mean it'd be up here, which not that one. Okay. Now, and this is just always remember, it's the opposite in terms of the movement. So C here is pi fourths, which actually means we want to move left by pi fourths. So if I look at this, left pi fourths would put me here. And because we're talking cosine, it's actually the same point. So actually I can just think about moving this point here. That doesn't work, right? All right, so now I want to move it left by pi halves. Well, same idea. I'm going to take that purple point, move it to the left by pi halves, and that's where I'd end up being. The rest doesn't matter because they're all 2 and -1, so that's good. And just for the sake of it, this one would be left by pi, which would put us way over here, which is not enough, or it's not the same. So we're good. It's that one right there. All right. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.